Sine law applications, question 11. At the same instant, two observers 525 meters apart measures the angle of elevation of a kite flying overhead between them. The angle of elevation are 63 and 49 degrees. Determine the height of the kite. Okay, so this problem is for you to practice. We have had a similar problem earlier. So go through that video, and then if you have difficulties, and then solve it, right? So we'll just try to make a sketch for you so that it's even simpler. But you can stop the video here and work out a solution, okay? Now let's read the problem again to just make a sketch. At the same instance, that means there are two observers at the same time. Two observers 525 kilometers apart. So let's make this, these are my two observers. Measures the angle of elevation of a kite flying overhead between them. So kite is somewhere in between, right? The angle of elevations are 63 and 49. So let's assume that for one it is 63 and for the other it is 49, correct? So that is how we can just make a diagram. This is 63 degrees and for the other it is 49 degrees, and they are 525 meters apart, right? And what do you need to find? You need to find the height of the kite, right? You need to find the height of the kite, which is this height. My suggestion is that try this problem using sine cosine law or even without them, correct? So that is how it is. Okay, you can of course use sine law because you are given these two angles. With these two angles you can find the third angle, correct? Once you know the third angle and the side opposite, you can use sine law and find what? Then you find one of the sides. That is kind of critical here. So after doing this, find one of the sides, any one you like. So let us say you find this side, right? So that means this side over sine 63 equals to this over that angle. That angle is 180 minus 63 minus 49, correct? So you get this side. Once you get your side, then you can find height using the angle, hypotenuse and opposite side, correct? And solve your problem. So that is how this question will be solved. So it's kind of tricky. First, you are not getting the height straight away, right? You need to find one of the sides first. Sometimes when we ask this question, we also ask you to find how far the kite is from each observer, right? In that case, you find both the sides. But finding side is critical to find the height in this problem, okay? So that is how you're going to do it. And also try doing this problem without using sine law, right? That will be very interesting. So what you can do in that case is assume that this point is x distance away from one side, right? And then you can figure out the answer, correct? You get two equations. Using tan of 49, you get one equation. Using tan of 63, you get the other. There are two variables. This length will be 525 minus x, correct? So then this problem becomes even more interesting. So try it both ways. And write your comments, share your comments. If you have difficulties, we'll give you the solution. Thank you.